In this lesson, we're going to add the person element. So let's click on this. Let's grab someone here. Matter of fact, I got the link from before, previous lesson with the dog. So you can put anyone's photo on here and you can add the alt text for SEO purposes. You can put the details, their name, their position, doggy man. There we go. You can enable description and it's going to show right there. Now these here make sense when you have multiple columns for it. So I'm going to click apply. So once again, columns, you're going to use columns a lot because it allows you to separate things. So let's go to the element and the person, and let's add this dog right here. Apply. You can put a text. Let's see. Let's go to the details, enable, and you can change this text to whatever you want it to be. Click apply, and let's do the same thing here for this one. And put this dog again. And you can put a link in. Alt text is great for SEO purposes so that the robots know what that image is about. And click on apply again. And let's just do this one more time here. Now you can also drag and drop things over, but I just want you to get in the habit of, doing this here. So let's click on apply. And you can come in and change the position. Let's move this over so you can see here. You can change the position of how that is. So that's in the middle. That's great. Go over to the style, put that in the middle. That's great again. And finally, go to the styles and put that in the middle. So there you have it now, where you have all three in the middle like that. And you can also move this over if you realize you need more space for one. And you can do that as well.